Ana, tungo. Yan, lido. Ana gyud.
Almost didn't make it.
Okay, take two.
Kinahanglan mo
And that's what they're doing.
We didn't take.
Wala mo sakay.
Only the backpack. Only the backpack and the snacks.
Makaya
Yeah. Because it's so uphill, that's why I told you. You need to balance. It's uphill.
Abot na yun.
Great job!
Our Father who art in heaven, holy be your name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. And do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil.
I could dance that too.
Jean, Russia na yung lawas. Ay, now. Excuse ha, panauga sa sila. Ayaw sa, kung di tawag ang ngalan, hindi pa manaog.
There ka, kuya. There ka. Natapusan ka.
Rix, Jansel, Ricaforte. Sabi ko yung Bajik. Grade 1.
Say thank you.
Isa grade 1.
Say salamat.
Jojo.
Oh, you're welcome.
What's up, yan?
Hoy, Janilo.
Salamat kaya ka, wala ako sa Pikachu. Now we're entering.
Wow.
Salamat. This is Bahay Bagakay Elementary School. This is the school where the kids went to from the uphill mountain that we distributed the backpack drive last Saturday, May 12th. And as you can see, it is really far. If you could, we will upload some videos. These are just few rooms from kindergarten 1, 2, and K1 to K7. So they're like every grade, they're like one sections. actually our stage. It's like a complex that if students get recognition or graduated, they will come here upstairs or do some flag ceremony. So all the events will be happening in this area.